Rhipsalis baccifera, commonly known as Mistletoe Cactus, is an epiphytic cactus which originates from Central and South America, the Caribbean, and Florida. It is also found throughout the tropics of Africa and into Sri Lanka. This is the only cactus species naturally occurring outside the Americas. One hypothesis is that it was introduced to the Old World by migratory birds long enough ago for the Old World populations to be regarded as distinct subspecies. An alternative hypothesis holds that the species initially crossed the Atlantic Ocean or on European ships trading between South America and Africa, after which birds may have spread it more widely. Mistletoe cactus is a graceful epiphytic succulent with long thread-like stems and numerous creamy white flowers followed by mistletoe-like fruits. It forms large hanging clusters, 1 to 4 meters long. Like most cacti, it has succulent stems. However, in this cactus, these are weak, slender, narrow, and pendant. Grow mistletoe cactus in low to medium light. It can take a little direct sun indoors, especially in northern climates, but doesn't need bright sun to thrive. This indoor plant thrives under artificial lighting too. This modern indoor plant also prefers average to high humidity, so it's an excellent choice for growing in well-lit kitchens and bathrooms. The stem is crushed and used to treat the bites of coral snakes. It is used with philodendrons to soothe the wounds of venomous stingrays. Placed in cataplasm of the peeled stem, the whole plant is used as an ingredient in a curative herbal bath.